Here is another case study question. There are many varieties of mushrooms available in the world. One such, Amanita muscaria, has an upper part which is like a red cap hemispherical, and lower part is like white stem cylindrical. The hemispherical cap's radius equal to 3 cm and cylindrical stem is 2 cm height with a diameter of 1.4 cm. Considering a mushroom a solid object, answer the following questions. So after reading the question, we arrived at a conclusion that this question is basically belongs to mensuration topic, and the solid object mushroom is visualized as a combination of a hemisphere and a cylinder. The top cap, if you observe here, is a hemisphere, and the stem attached to the top cap, that is the hemispherical shape, is actually a cylinder. Now let us explore the different questions based on this case study. So the first question here is, what is the total height of a mushroom? So if we carefully observe the diagram, you will find that the given things, first of all, the hemispherical cap, as you can see, the radius given is to be 3 cm. So this top part is the hemisphere and the radius of this is, say, r cap, and it is given to be 3 cm. The next one, the cylindrical stem, as you can see, the height for the cylindrical stem is given to be 2 cm. Cylindrical stem is 2 cm high. The next, the diameter of the stem is given to us. As we can see, a cylindrical stem is 2 cm high and with diameter 1.4 cm. So from the diameter, we know the radius is half the diameter, so it will become 1.4 upon 2, that is 0.7 cm. So from the problem, we have obtained the required data for the two solids, hemisphere and the cylinder. Now the first question, as we can see, we are required to find the height, total height of the mushroom. So as we can observe from this figure, the height of the mushroom is equal to the height of the stem plus the height of this hemisphere, and the height of this hemisphere is nothing but the radius of the hemispherical cap. So the height of the mushroom, I can simply say, is h stem plus radius of the cap. So I can simply say here the total height is the sum of the hemispherical cap and the height of the cylindrical stem. Mathematically, I can write is total height is equal to r cap, which means the radius of the cap, plus h stem, which is the height of the stem, and r cap, as we know, it is 3 cm and the height is 2 cm. The total height will become 5 cm. The next question, find the volume of the stem. Now as we know, the stem is a cylindrical solid. Let's recall the stem is a cylinder and the height of the cylinder is given 2 centimeter, diameter is given as 1.4 centimeter. Therefore, the radius R stem, that is the radius of the stem, will be half of the diameter, which is 0.7 centimeter. And we need to find the volume of the stem. Now recall the formula to find the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. So volume of stem is nothing but the volume of cylinder, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here I replace r with r stem, that is the radius of the stem, and h I replace with h stem, which is height of the stem. Now substituting the values, pi as 22/7, r stem is 0.7 square and height is 2, and on calculation and simplification we get the volume of the stem, which is equal to volume of cylinder and is equal to 3.08 centimeter cube. 3.08 centimeter cube. The next question, third A, determine the volume of 7 such mushrooms. Naturally, to solve this question, first of all, we must find the volume of one mushroom. And as we have observed and learned so far, that this mushroom is a solid as a combination of a hemisphere and the cylinder. Already we have seen all this, how the given data for the radius of the hemispherical cap and the radius and the height of the cylindrical stem. Now, to answer this question, we first find the volume of one mushroom, and volume of one mushroom is equal to volume of the hemispherical cap and the volume of the cylindrical stem. So as we know, since cap is a cylinder and the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi into radius cube, and here I am replacing r with r cap, which means the radius of the hemispherical cap, plus the volume of the cylindrical stem, and cylinder just now we have found out it is nothing but pi r square h. Now just substituting the value, 2/3 pi is 22/2, r cap is 3 cube plus 22/7 into r stem is 0.7 square into 2, which is the height of the stem. On simplification, we are getting the volume of cap as 56.57 and volume of cylindrical stem as 3.08. However, the total volume of one mushroom is 59.65 centimeter cube. Remember, what we have found is just the volume of one mushroom. But as per the question, our job is to find the volume of 7 such mushrooms. So therefore, the volume of 7 mushrooms will be 7 into volume of one mushroom. So 7 into 59.65. So ultimately, finally, the volume of 7 mushrooms will be equal to 417.55 centimeter cube. The next question, find the total surface area of 7 such mushrooms. Now the question is what I mean by this word total surface area. Naturally, we need to find first the total surface area of one mushroom, and then we can determine the volume, the total surface area of 7 such mushrooms. So now, naturally, the total surface area, in this case refers to the visible outer surface. So the visible outer surface is this hemisphere, the surface area of this cylindrical stem, and the surface area of this bottom of this cap. So I can say the total surface area of one mushroom is actually the visible outer part, and it will be equal to the curved surface area of cap, curved surface area of the stem, plus base of the stem, this below this area, and the area of cap base not covered by stem, in this area. So now let us find out first the surface area of one mushroom. So we first find the curved surface area of the cap, and cap is hemisphere. So we know the surface area for hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So CSA, that is the curved surface area of cap, will be 2 pi r cap square. Just substituting the value, we will get 56.57 centimeter square. Next, we will find the curved surface area of the stem, and stem is a cylinder. Therefore, the CSA is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r stem h stem. Then substituting the value, it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 2, and on simplification we will get the curved surface area of stem as 8.8 centimeter square. So as you can see, to find the total surface area, we know it is the area of the visible outer surface. So we have determined the curved surface area of the cap, that is this one. We have determined the curved surface area of the stem. Now two things still left. One will be the base area, that is this area, and one will be the area of cap base not covered by stem, this part 1 and this part 1. Okay, so now let's go and find so the base. Naturally it's a cylinder, so base will be a circle, and the area of the circle is pi r square, that is pi r stem square. Substituting the value of r stem, that is 22 by 7 into 0.7 square, is equal to 1.54 centimeters square. It is the area of the base. Now to determine the area of at the top, let's try to understand this. See, this outer circle is the base of your hemisphere, and in this there is attached a cylinder. So this inner circle represents the area of the stem. However, this stem is attached to the hemisphere, so we just want this area, the picturized in color blue, light blue. Okay, so it is nothing but the area of the outer circle minus the area of the inner circle, which mathematically we can write is like this: the exposed base of cap will be area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle, which is pi into r cap square minus r stem square, where r cap is the radius of the hemispherical cap and r stem is the radius of the cylindrical stem. Substituting the value and on simplification we will get the exposed base area of cap as 26.746 centimeter square. Now we have found the visible area of all the components of the solid. We will add all of them to find the total surface area of one mushroom. So total surface area of one mushroom is equal to 56.57 plus 8.8 plus 1.54 and plus 26.75. So we get the total surface area of one mushroom as 93.66 centimeter square. But our final objective is to find out the total surface area of 7 mushrooms. So finally, the total surface area of 7 mushrooms will be 7 times the total surface area of one mushroom. So 7 times 93.66, which gives 655.62 centimeter square as the total surface area of 7 mushrooms. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share the video and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Remember, maths समझो याद नहीं करो.